I drink green tea after lunch. I drink green tea after lunch. She loves to knit scarves. She loves to knit scarves. He attends night classes. He attends night classes. We go to concerts whenever we can. We go to concerts whenever we can. They participate in charity events. They participate in charity events. I paint landscapes. I paint landscapes. She swims at the local pool. She swims at the local pool. He tutors students in the evening. He tutors students in the evening. We visit art galleries. We visit art galleries. They explore new restaurants. They explore new restaurants. I read self-help books. I read self-help books. She writes poetry. She writes poetry. He plays chess with his friends. He plays chess with his friends. We organize community cleanups. We organize community cleanups. They take pottery classes. They take pottery classes. I enjoy gardening. I enjoy gardening. She visits the library weekly. She visits the library weekly. He writes code for a tech company. He writes code for a tech company. We go cycling on the weekends. We go cycling on the weekends. They have game nights every Friday. They have game nights every Friday. I practice mindfulness. I practice mindfulness. She sketches portraits. She sketches portraits. He runs marathons. He runs marathons. We make homemade pizza. We make homemade pizza. They play tennis in the evenings. They play tennis in the evenings. I donate to charity. I donate to charity. She attends cooking classes. She attends cooking classes. He reads detective novels. He reads detective novels. We enjoy birdwatching. We enjoy birdwatching. They go horseback riding. They go horseback riding. I recycle every day. I recycle every day. She participates in book clubs. She participates in book clubs. He builds furniture. He builds furniture. We take family photos every year. We take family photos every year. They attend local festivals. They attend local festivals. I follow a fitness routine. I follow a fitness routine. She designs websites. She designs websites. He brews his own beer. He brews his own beer. We enjoy stargazing. We enjoy stargazing. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. She drinks coffee in the morning. She drinks coffee in the morning. He goes to work by bus. He goes to work by bus. They eat lunch at noon. They eat lunch at noon. We study English every evening. We study English every evening. You drive to school every day. You drive to school every day. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. He watches TV after dinner. He watches TV after dinner. We walk in the park on weekends. We walk in the park on weekends. They play soccer on Sundays. They play soccer on Sundays. I listen to music while I work. I listen to music while I work. She cleans the house on Saturdays. She cleans the house on Saturdays. He exercises every morning. He exercises every morning. We visit our grandparents every month. We visit our grandparents every month. They cook dinner together. They cook dinner together. I write emails to my friends. I write emails to my friends. She shops for groceries every Monday. She shops for groceries every Monday. He works out at the gym daily. He works out at the gym daily. We attend church on Sundays. We attend church on Sundays. They garden in the backyard. They garden in the backyard. I check my phone first thing in the morning. I check my phone first thing in the morning. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He waters the plants regularly. He waters the plants regularly. We bake cookies every Christmas. We bake cookies every Christmas. They volunteer at the shelter. They volunteer at the shelter. I meditate for 10 minutes. I meditate for 10 minutes. She takes the dog for a walk. She takes the dog for a walk. He reads the newspaper every morning. He reads the newspaper every morning. We plan our vacations in advance. We plan our vacations in advance. They go camping in the summer. They go camping in the summer. I organize my desk every week. I organize my desk every week. She enjoys painting in her free time. She enjoys painting in her free time. He repairs cars for a living. He repairs cars for a living. We watch movies on Friday nights. We watch movies on Friday nights. They celebrate birthdays with a cake. They celebrate birthdays with a cake. I practice yoga daily. I practice yoga daily. She loves to sing in the shower. She loves to sing in the shower. He teaches math at the local school. He teaches math at the local school. We play board games on rainy days. We play board games on rainy days. They travel abroad every year. They travel abroad every year. I use my laptop for work. I use my laptop for work. She decorates the house for holidays. She decorates the house for holidays. He reads to his children every night. He reads to his children every night. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. They always help their neighbors. They always help their neighbors. I cook breakfast every morning. I cook breakfast every morning. She writes in her journal every night. She writes in her journal every night. He builds model airplanes. He builds model airplanes. We visit the beach every summer. We visit the beach every summer. They go skiing in the winter. They go skiing in the winter. I take a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap in the afternoon. She makes jewelry as a hobby. She makes jewelry as a hobby. He enjoys fishing on weekends. He enjoys fishing on weekends. We have family dinners on Sundays. We have family dinners on Sundays. They go for a run every morning. They go for a run every morning. I call my parents every week. I call my parents every week. She practices piano daily. She practices piano daily. He collects stamps from different countries. He collects stamps from different countries. We host a barbecue every 4th of July. We host a barbecue every 4th of July. They play video games together. They play video games together. I drink green tea after lunch.